Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. There's nothing like homemade compote. This one is with plump, juicy cherries. Great on ice cream, pancakes and waffles. For the best taste, I love using vanilla paste. 1 tablespoon. This sounds like a lot, but it's not as intense as vanilla extract. For the slurry, mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water. You can use fresh or frozen pitted cherries. For convenience, I use frozen. We need 500 grams or 1.1 pounds. Place in a saucepan with 1/3 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. Cook over medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes. Stir occasionally so it doesn't catch at the bottom. The cherries should soften and the liquid will reduce. As you can see, the cherries have softened and the colors are much deeper. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Pour in the slurry mix. This will thicken the compote. Adjust the thickness to your liking. I want mine saucier, so I'm adding a few tablespoons of water at a time. It will continue to thicken over the heat. This is exactly how I want it. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to balance the sweetness and the vanilla paste. Cook for another minute or so, or until the sauce thickens nicely. And it's all done. Sweet with a touch of tartness and delightful bites of cherries. Put over cheesecake or pavlova. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more delicious content, full recipe at my blog.